Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Fiat remote key fob. What we need to do is remove this housing inside here that holds the key fob battery. You can just see that there is a pin here that is currently in its locked position. We need to twist it very slightly into the unlocked position and then remove the housing to access the battery. I'll just demonstrate. So you pop your flat-headed screwdriver into the indentation and you give it a twist very gently. So the arrow is pointing to the unlocked position. And now we can remove the housing like so. And there is your key fob battery. You just remove the battery out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We get the key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing. Make sure that the contacts are touching the negative, like this. Now it's time to pop it back together. So we put this end in first, like so, until it's in place. And then we just simply push this end down. Now it's time to get the screwdriver and we just turn this pin into the locked position. Like that. And there you go. It's all done.